TOEIC Test. Listening. Part 2. You will hear a question and listen to 3 possible answers. Choose the correct answer to the question. You will hear the answer spoken only once.
Question 1.
When is the staff meeting scheduled?
A. It's later this afternoon. B. Tomorrow we can have lunch together. C. I'm the vice president.
Question 2.
Are you available next Monday?
A. The client is busy all week. B. I'm going on a business trip soon. C. Yes, absolutely. What time?
Question 3.
Could you tell me the travel budget for this trip?
A. Yes, the budget is just over $2,000. B. Sorry, the board of directors manages it. C. I'll take care of the courier.
Question 4.
Could you print out the latest financial report for me?
A. Sorry, I won't make it in time. B. Yes, I'll hand it to you. C. We need to ask the manager.
Question 5.
When is the fire practice?
A. Once a week. B. Next Friday. C. Sorry, I can't make it.
Question 6.
How many properties are available for lease?
A. There are many options to choose from. B. Yes, it's sold out. C. Roughly a dozen.
Question 7.
Where is the emergency exit located?
A. Sorry, I'm an assistant. B. It's on the 3rd floor. C. The showroom is near the main hall.
Question 8.
Have you finished drafting the proposal for the new project?
A. No, it's in the maintenance department. B. Yes, it's almost done. C. The supervisor will manage it.
Question 9.
Is the meeting with the client scheduled for tomorrow?
A. Yes, in the conference room. B. I'll go over it in a moment. C. No, the division head will be there.
Question 10.
Can you pass me the folder from the top shelf?
A. Sorry, I won't make it in time. B. Yes, I'll hand it to you. C. We need to ask the manager.